I'd like to show you my big box, as the actress said to the bishop. But I've just finished the dropside trailer box for the back of my Land Rover, and I'm kind of chuffed with it. Come and have a look. It's done in treated timber. It's like softwood, but it's treated timber, so it shouldn't rust out, or rot out, should I say. But it's a whopper. It's better than I expected. See, I made it a little bit higher than my last one. And but I just thought I'd give you guys some inspiration to do this, because, well, let's drop down the back and let's have a look. All the panels will swing off and out the way. Now I can't drop that one down because I'm going to hit my wrist. See? Take that look. Take that off. Get rid of that. Come in with your forklift or whatever, you've got a flat deck, you know, and these side panels, like I said, you can just pull them off and away you go. You've got the best of both worlds, and it's flat look. So, if you want to make a camper, you could put a camper on the back of that. It would be brilliant, wouldn't it? Wait a minute, you might see some wobbling because the raccoon's playing with the frame. So I just wanted to show you that, and it's come out really nice. It's about 7 foot long and 68 wide, 68 inches wide. I made the light fittings for it to go underneath. They're really nice. I'll do a link for that up here. Where are you now? Up here. I'll do a link to that. I haven't got a towing hitch. I've got to make one. But apart from that, it worked out really, really well. Now, one other thing I want to show you, I just found out the other day. Now, people will laugh at this. These are going to be my mud guards. What they are basement window surrounds, but the galvanised steel corrugated, and if I put them sort of like that, and if I cut them down to fit inside the arch, I need to put them about here, and we'll have a full width protected arch. I don't know why they never thought of this before. So I'm going to cut this edge off here, and then we'll fit a great big mud flap going across the back, and the back, and the front. We'll trim this down and just shape it so it's really nice. $30 each, can't fall off, can you? The problem was, if I get a regular a wheel arch, they're very tight to the wheel. That's no good. Stop it. They're very tight to the wheel. So they're going to either build up with mud or snow or slush, and it can't get away. So I think these are going to be perfect. I'll do another video later when I get them fitted. But unfortunately today it's a bit wet, and I wanted to do these outside because, like I said, I'm sort of stuck with my lift. But anyway, if you want to know actually how I did it, I'll try and do a description if you're interested, but they're really, really easy to make. And I did do a video a long time ago, which I'll put a link in here, to show you how I started to make the frame. And it's really easy, you know. Just a couple of little features I forgot to mention. He's climbing there. I put some mesh across the back here where the window's going to be, and if Darren's watching, I haven't forgotten, I need my roof very shortly. And I left this piece open so that if you ever, two reasons, if you have to change the window in the side, well, now you can get it out, whereas in the other one I'd have to take the cab off to get the window out. And another thing, if you want to put ratchet straps or anything around here to pull the load tight to the back, you've got the bars to pull on. You really do need a mesh in the back window because, as we found out once before, and fortunately in the other pickup it did have a mesh in, by loading and unloading at the scrapyard, something fell on the roof, like sort of bang down like this, and it wasn't for that bar and that mesh, we would have lost the cab. So it works. That's incompetent bloody scrapyard people for you. So I hope you like that. This is number 2 I've made, and I might do another one, but so much better than the regular aluminium boxes. So much better. I really do. You know, like just for getting in with a forklift in the side is just so fantastic. So I hope you like that. Give you a bit of inspiration what to do with an old truck, because if your back body's all beaten up like mine was, well, you could make one of them. And what, it didn't cost all that much. It was a bit tricky to work out, I must admit, but it didn't cost all that much. So thanks for liking and watching, and I've got my thumbs up working now, so give us a thumbs up if you like that, and I hope it's given you a bit of inspiration. Talk to you later.